Hi there, Josh coming at you from Double Edge Sharpening. And in this video, we're doing something really exciting. We got a pair of Shark Fin shears here, and what we want to do is we want to be able to service a number of different clients, and Shark Fin is a company that they certify people to sharpen their shears. And so what we've got is we've got a pair of their shears that they've sent to us. They purposely nicked up the blade at a few spots. We're going to sharpen them, and then I'm going to send them back. They review them, and then if all is well, we will be certified to sharpen Shark Fin shears. And it's pretty cool. There's not many people in Canada who do that right now. There's a few, but this is an exciting thing, and we want to be able to offer this service to as many customers as we can. So if that's something that they have, we want to be able to do it. So let's get sharpening and see what happens. There, we've got these all sharpened up and ready to send back. So what we'll do is we'll mail them back to Shark Fin for their inspection and review, and hopefully in a couple days we'll get some good news of certification. So stick around and we'll post when we get that certification.